just stopped, and I thought, let's see what we can get down here at night. So let's see what top end we can get. GoPro's come off. For fuck's sake. Oh no. Well, thank God for the safety string anyway. Fuck's sake. Right, let's pull over and see what's happened. I got a safety wire attached to the camera for situations just like this, funny enough. Because I've seen videos of bikers that this has happened to, and it's completely smashed their camera, and this is like a £600 camera, so no way am I letting that happen to my fucking camera. We'll just pull into this lay-by that's just up here, see if we can fix it quick. My little first aid kit. But it was going well, got up to 165 of it, so you know, it still had more, it was still going. Just the camera fell off. Oh dear me. Righto. Let's see what the damage is. Well, there won't be no damage, but you know what I mean. What the problem is. Why did it fail miserably? It could just be a sticky pad. I think I do have one on board if it is. But if not, I'm going to have to end it there. But I'll be back in a minute if I can be. That was interesting. So yeah, it's just a sticky pad that failed. So luckily I had another sticky pad on board in my tail, so stuck another one on. I don't know if I'll be able to do another top speed run though. Fuck's sake. This is the only one I have, so should I try it? Hulk, what do you reckon, mate? Okay, Hulk wants to try it. Alright, Hulk, if it falls off though, bro, like, it is what it is, isn't it, mate? So yeah. Alright, boy. Here we go, let's try it again. Falling off grid. Fuck's sake. Oh god. Right. No more top speed runs. I done one earlier and got 171, but I looked at it on the preview on the camera, but it does. You can't see the speedo, which is the whole point of it, to prove that I did actually do it. You know, because everyone online goes, "Oh, that's bollocks," but you know. So, but I'm hoping with when it's edited and then mastered in 4K, and then you watch it in 4K, you'll be able to see it. That's what I'm hoping. But yeah, I just love the I just love how savage this fucking pulls, this bike. It's a beast, it's an animal. It's like a, I don't know, it's just nuts. Look how quickly it accelerates, yeah, look, from like 60, 70. So we'll do it from 70. Gonna have to do an emergency stop there. But man, this bike is just fucking nuts, man. I love it. It's like the other side of my personality, this bike. It's just like nuts, absolute fucking insanity. It really is. Right, we'll calm down now, boy, because we're going home, and plus we're coming into 30s and stuff, so we'll be responsible, so don't get moaned at. Not that I give a fuck, but it's like getting all these notifications going, oh, Willie, I've never had a bike 2000 said that you're a dickhead for speeding. It's like, cool. Do not care. I mean, it's not me, it's Hulk. Like, Hulk just wants to go. Like, you have to understand, like, Hulk has been born and bred to go fast. It's not his fault. He knows no different, you know. He honestly knows no difference, so you can't blame him. It's like, it's in his DNA to go fast, and it's like getting a cat and the cat licking its arse, and you're going, oh, that's disgusting. Well, the cats, you know, that's what cats do. It's just like a fact of life, you know. Hulk is a super bike. He was born to go super fast, you know. Kind of like a bit of a giveaway in the name there, in the title. today's main mission was to get this tyre broken in, and I think we've achieved it. I mean, the tyre now has 155 miles on the front, so I'm very happy with that. 155 miles. I think that's, you know, sufficient to not like be like, oh shit, it might be like a plane of like ice, you know, if I was to get caught out in a rainstorm or something.